One easy thing to change in this formula is just to change this sign here. We can, for example, multiply x by y. And what we are going to get is, as you can see, only red squares on the central line and column. But we can notice that there are two more lines in the left and two more columns in the left and two more columns in the right, and two more lines up and two more lines down that are always red. That's because if one of the digits x or y is divisible by 5, then they together multiplied are going to also be divisible by 5, and their remainder from division is going to be 0. That's why we see such a shape of red squares. And this is going to be true. If I change this number from 5 to any other number, we are not going to use all of the existing colors now, but you can see that there are other red lines and columns. They are going to be most easily visible if the colors are only 2. Then there are alternating lines and columns of red lines, and sometimes lines with a little bit of green, and most of the time lines with everything red. So this is one formula that you could have tried. Everything is going to be more interesting if we care about the distance too, because this is a number that is changing, so each time the distance change, meaning each time, because on each update the distance is different, each color is going to be changed, and you can see that the squares now are alternating in a different manner. So if you want, you can use distance in such formulas too. What I want you to do now is to change the position of the center of this explosion. It's currently on 400 and 300, and those are numbers that I've written in my code, and they are not changed at any moment. I want you to change them with variables that are initially some values, but with the time change. For example, our whole explosion, our whole firework could start from the bottom of the playing field and quickly go up, and then start falling back down. We've made a lot of things jump in a similar manner, and you will need just variables center x and center y, and perhaps one more variable to know the delta y, the number by which center y is going to be changed on each update. So make the explosion bouncy, just like a real firework.